Manus AI is completely taking the AI market by storm. If you didn't know already, Manus is an autonomous AI agent known for its unique capabilities, like deep research, full web app and website creation, smart presentations, third-party app automations, and powerful workflows. So today, my focus is to get you familiar and up and running with Manus, so that you can effectively use Manus on a day-to-day basis for both personal and business use. Okay, so with that covered, let's go ahead and dive into Manus. Okay, so before we dive into Manus, what exactly are we going to cover today? Well, I'll first get you familiar with your Manus account. Then I'll cover 7 powerful and unique AI functions that will completely change the way that you work. This will blow your mind with what is possible for both personal and business use cases. Now, if you didn't already know, Manus was recently acquired by Meta for billions and is now part of the Meta universe. It competes directly with the likes of OpenClaw, Grok, Claude, and ChatGPT. The main difference between Manus and other AI platforms is the execution. Typically, you would chat with the AI and it will respond. Manus, on the other hand, will just execute tasks for you. Basically, give it a task and consider it done. Manus will open up apps and tabs, fill out forms, send emails, post on social media, generate and post optimized ads across your different Meta apps, and many other key tasks. Manus can essentially take over all your tasks and do them for you. Alright, let's quickly get familiar with your Manus account before we dive into the key use cases and functions. As you can see, I'm currently inside a fresh free account. To get started with Manus for free, simply head over to your browser and type in manus.im, or simply click on the first link in the description below this video and that's going to take you here. Once you sign in, you can get started with Manus right away. Okay, let's get you familiar with this interface. If we click on New Task, that's going to take you to this interface. Here you can chat with the AI. This is the main interface you'll use to interact with Manus. If we jump down to Agent, here we can set up and deploy agents in just a few clicks across your different channels. Navigate down to Get Started. Simply choose the channel you want to set up your AI agent with, and just like that, the Manus AI agent will be set up on your channel. No API needed, no complicated code. Simply scan the QR code and you're ready to go. This means you can simply use Manus across these different channels. Okay, let's close out of this. Below this, we have plugins. Here we can leverage 2 key functions that can be found in your Manus account. The first is connectors. These allow you to connect third-party apps with your Manus account. This in turn allows you to build automations and streamline your workflows with Manus. Below connectors, we have skills, and these are reusable AI workflows. We'll talk more about these shortly. Below plugins, we have scheduled. This allows you to set up your automatic workflows so that Manus works independently without you asking and in the background. Think of Manus as your AI agent, AI assistant that works 24/7 while you focus on tasks that are significant to you. Below scheduled, we have library, essentially where you can manage all your active tasks and active workflows. Below this, you can manage all your projects inside of folders. Now, if we navigate down to this icon down below, you can also download the Manus mobile app and desktop app. This means you can easily give Manus access to local files, giving Manus everything that you want in order to build out powerful AI workflows. Okay, let's navigate back up to New Task, and first take a closer look at Manus skills. Simply navigate down to this chat box, click on this plus icon, use skills, and here we can access template skills or build our own. Let's click on Create Skill with Manus. Now again, what is a skill? Well, as I mentioned, it's a reusable AI workflow, kind of like a personalized prompt template. Rather than prompting from scratch, you can package up your skills, which have a proven set of instructions, scripts, and tools that you can then quickly use again. For example, think about a task that you do on a daily basis. This could be, for example, a research-based task. Next, let's talk about one of the most incredible things that you can do with Manus AI, and that is developing websites and apps. For example, let's jump up to Build Website. What's impressive is you can build a full-feature web app or website simply by chatting with Manus. For example, you could build a product landing page, a sales dashboard app, a website portfolio, or a full-feature e-commerce store that can then be published on a website builder like Shopify. This means rather than spending $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, as well as weeks and months building a Shopify store, you can leverage AI and do this in minutes. Now, if you're interested in building a full-feature e-commerce website with Shopify and Manus, I'll create a dedicated tutorial for this, which you can find down below in the description. The great part about Manus is once you've built your website or web app, Manus will walk you through the instructions to connect other tools like payment providers, including Stripe and others. Okay, let's jump up here and add a prompt. I've added create a e-commerce landing page for the product Sheetify CRM. Reference this existing website for the product and business information. Make the landing page sleek and conversion focused. Reference website, and we have the website down here. This is my website. Let's say that I want to redesign a product page. Manus can simply help us with this. Now you can choose to add your prompts with text, or you can leverage a voice, depending on your preference. Now, while Manus works in the background, we can, if we like, engage in a new task. Again, the great part about Manus is it works 24/7 in the background while you set up and execute other tasks. Now, it's important to note that some tasks require Manus Max, which is their premium plan. The free plan that Manus provides is limited when it comes to certain tasks. So for example, as you can see, I've jumped over to Manus 1.6 Max, which is the premium paid version of Manus. Over here, we can see the code being developed in the background, as well as brainstorms, action plans, and designs. Again, what would typically take days or weeks and thousands of dollars can be done in just a few minutes. The AI will literally do all the heavy lifting for you. Okay, so just like that, our Sheetify landing page has been designed. This looks amazing. I like the animations. It's pulled all the information from my website, the reference website that I added, and we now have a sleek, conversion-focused landing page. Now, once you've created your website, your landing page, your web app, you can continue customizing your project on the left-hand side. And when you're ready, you can publish. Manus will also guide you through the process to connect the specific tools that are required to run your project. This is via connectors, which we'll talk about shortly. Okay, let's jump back over to a new task and move on to workflows. Now, to set up specific workflows for your business, you want to enable the connection between Manus and your third-party apps. For example, jump down to connectors, and here you can search for the specific app that you want to connect. Maybe the workflow that you want to set up and create is in regards to reading emails coming in and responding to specific emails. Another could be automating scheduling with Google Calendar, getting Manus to understand events in your area, and automatically updating your calendar. Depending on the workflow that you want to set up, simply connect the specific connector, the specific third-party app. Again, no code is needed and it only takes a few clicks to connect your apps with Manus. Okay, let's close out of this. And again, with workflows, you can navigate over to scheduled and you can schedule workflows. For example, set up automated monitoring for any topic, competitor, or keyword. For example, every Monday you could get Manus to engage in keyword research or market research for your brand and spit out a summary of key actions you need to implement that week. Okay, let's jump back over to new task and then click on more. And let's touch on Spreadsheet. This is a powerful and unique feature that Manus offers. You can upload your own spreadsheets for Manus to analyze, or you can get Manus to create working spreadsheets instantly. For example, let's say I want to dive into competitor research. Rather than doing this myself, I can get Manus to create a spreadsheet and engage in the research for me. I've added engage in competitor research for the top 20 websites that compete with our brand, Sheetify CRM. See our reference website, and I've added the website here. Identify their content strategy, number of blog posts, social media followings, and other important findings. Let's submit this. Then sit back, relax, and let Manus engage in this research online for you. Hey guys, just quickly, did you know that over 90% of you that enjoy our free educational content have not yet subscribed? It would mean a lot to me if you drop a comment or hit subscribe if you love what I'm creating. This helps us grow the channel and motivates me to create bigger and more impactful tutorials for you to consume for free. Okay, so with that happy note, thank you in advance, and let's get back to the video. Now, it's important to note that with Manus, you have access to a free plan and premium plans. Each come with their limitations. The main limitation that you'll come across when using Manus, as well as other AI platforms, is the AI credit limitations. These AI credits renew on a monthly basis. Each plan has a limited number of credits, and you can purchase more if you run out. The big issue at the moment with a platform like Manus is a big task like building an e-commerce website will use up most of your monthly credits. So yes, Manus is incredible and affordable, but it can become costly due to credit consumption and the tasks that you are executing with Manus. And just like that, in a few moments, Manus has executed that task for us. All we did was added the prompt, sat back and relaxed, while the AI did all the deep research for us. Now we can navigate down here, download the spreadsheet that's been generated, or we can preview it by simply clicking here. Here we have the top 20 brands that Sheetify CRM is competing with. We have the website, their content strategy, based on the research that Manus has engaged in. Number of blog posts, social media followings. We can expand this out if we like. Pricing, model, and key findings. This is incredibly helpful for my market research. Pretty impressive, right? Now we can jump over to calculations, competitor analysis, and dashboard. Okay, let's close out of this. And we can continue engaging in market research if we like, and continue building out this spreadsheet. Next, let's jump over to New Task and let's navigate down to Create Slides. Now this function allows you to build stunning presentations inside of Manus. These presentations you can customize and modify the way that you like. So again, rather than engaging in the research yourself and manually putting together a slide presentation, you can simply leverage AI. For example, I'm going to add the same prompt as this spreadsheet example and create a slides presentation for our competitor research. All right, let's submit this. Again, you want to give Manus AI a moment to generate your slides. Sit back, relax, go grab a coffee, come back, and your slides will be created. Okay, so after a few minutes, our slides are complete. Let's go ahead and click here. And now we have a highly researched competitor analysis for Sheetify CRM. This is in a slides format. We can navigate through this presentation and we can make changes where we like. If we manually want to make changes, simply click on this section and make those changes. We can download this presentation via these different formats or simply play the presentation. Start from the beginning, and in just a few minutes we have a presentation that we can go through with our team. As you can see, this is an absolute game changer. Okay, let's close out of this and jump over to New Task. If we navigate down to More and click on Wide Research, this allows us to engage in deep, wide research, similar to what I showed you, but at a higher level. Here we have some example prompts. Again, you can add connectors, connect to local files if you've got the desktop app, or connect cloud storage. Okay, so you can easily engage in deep research. And Manus is really good at this. And finally, I want to touch on agents again. Simply jump down to Get Started, scan this QR code, and you can access Manus across these different chat platforms. And again, you do not need to connect an API, touch any code. All you need to do is scan the QR code, and your app will be set up with Manus. Soon you'll be able to set up your AI agent in WhatsApp and Messenger. So again, this allows you to communicate with AI from these different apps. However, that is everything that I wanted to cover in this guide, helping you get familiar and up and running with using Manus in your day-to-day workflows and in your business. Those are 7 key functions and actions that you can make the most of inside of Manus. If you're interested in diving deeper into AI platforms like Gemini, Claude, ChatGPT, and others, I will add other relevant tutorials down below in the description. Take your time with these videos and you'll be proficient with AI in no time. And there we have it, guys. That is it for this Manus AI tutorial. Now, if you got value from this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.